Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we are going to show you how to fix Roblox installer not working closes automatically. So as you can see here, I'm installing my Roblox player, but it is not continuing and closes automatically. So if you're going to look for the task manager here, as you can see, you don't see any Roblox app or Roblox player processing or currently playing right now. So what you're going to do here to fix this problem. So basically the only thing that you can do here is right click the Roblox player and then click on run as administrator. So this is the only solution here that you can do to basically fix the problem and install this Roblox. So as you can see here, I'm now playing with my Roblox. So that's how you basically fix your Roblox not installing closes automatically on your window. So thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.